Here's the cool thing about the build. The family has no idea that they're going to get a furnished home. They know that they're getting a 16 by 20, a couple of bedrooms in that little small space. But on day 2, we take them to Costco under the guise that we're going to get food. And we pull out of the truck what they haven't seen, the kitchen table, the bunk bed, the master bedroom, plumbing. We assemble all that while they're gone. So when they come back, we keep them distracted and we don't allow them in the house. And then we do something called the key ceremony. All the people that participate in the build outside the front door, and each person gets handed the key, and everybody gets to say a little blessing to the family. Then they go inside the house for the first time, finding out that it's furnished, everything that's in there, and they are bawling uncontrollably. We give them a few minutes, and then we knock on the door. They invite us in, and we are their first guests, all 15 to 20 of us. And we say a prayer. It's just a time of celebration. It's absolutely amazing.